Which car will pass last in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. The driver of the red car. 2. The driver of the blue truck. 3. The driver of the green car. 4. The driver of the white car. Analysis of the problem. The intersection is not equipped with traffic lights or signs, and the road surface is the same everywhere. So we have a typical unregulated intersection of equivalent roads. The red car turns right, the green and white cars turn left, and the truck goes straight ahead. At such intersections, drivers are required to give way according to the traffic rules. At an intersection of roads of equal importance, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to vehicles approaching from the right, except at intersections where a roundabout is organized. According to this rule, the driver of the red car, who has no obstruction on the right, has the right of way. After he passes the intersection, the obstruction on the right will disappear for the driver of the green car. The truck driver will leave the intersection after him, and the driver of the white car will be the last to leave. Correct answer number for the driver of the white car.